So as you can see, forward is working, as you can see, backward also working, as you can see, but play is not working. You can hear the motor spinning, but it doesn't spin. Backward, forward. So please see the images, because there is the door is a little bit forward to this side, as you can see. It is forward to this side. To this side there is a bend, as you can see. You can see the bend here to the inside. Here there is a small crack in this plastic, as you can see. There is a dent here. This is a little bit, as you can see, it's moving a little bit. So let's open it. It's hard to do it with one hand. It is clean. It's in perfect condition. Beside those bends, as you can see, the door is a little bit to this side, forward to this side. That's it.